Hello to all lovers of natural beauty and skincare. Welcome to a professional skincare experience with homemade masks and herbal treatments. Today, I will show you the power of an exceptional fruit, Feijoa, with properties for skin brightening, deep hydration, and rejuvenation. I have prepared 2 powerful face masks with visible results for oily, dry, normal, and sensitive skin. The magical properties of Feijoa for skin. This small fruit is a treasure trove of vitamin C, which brightens and evens out the skin, and acts like a shield of youth, helping to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. If you're passionate about natural skincare and want to discover more beauty secrets like these, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Join our community and let's glow together. Branch with leaves, sparkles. Always test the mask on your inner arm and wait 20 minutes before applying. Beautiful skin begins with safety first. Mask 1, Brightening and Deep Hydration Treatment. Instantly brightens dull skin, provides intense and long-lasting hydration, calms inflammation and redness, improves skin uniformity and clarity. Best for dry, dull, sensitive, or inflammation-prone skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Use 2-3 times per week. Best time, evening or before bed. Mask 2, 3-in-1 Firming, Brightening and Rejuvenating Mask. Firms and tightens the skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, enhances natural radiance, creates a youthful, lifted appearance. Best for mature, tired, sagging, or aging skin. Leave on for 20 minutes. Use 1-2 times per week. Best time, morning for daytime glow or evening for overnight renewal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support me with a like and be sure to share your thoughts and experiences about using these masks in the comments. If you'd like to see more videos about natural skincare, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tutorials. You can also share this video with friends who love natural beauty. I look forward to hearing about your beautiful experiences. Wishing you all healthy, glowing skin.